Fabricators everywhere have experienced the growing demand for aluminum in the residential building field and the need for dewalt metal cutting machines. Dewalt traverse cutting capacity means full range cutting to accomplish cutoff, miter, and angle cuts on aluminum extrusions used for windows and doors, siding and roofing sheets, flashing and fascia sheets, trim and thresholds. Broad applications that call for the inherent flexibility of dewalt radial arm machine design, resulting in high-quality production cutting. From fragile contours to the heaviest support members, dewalt does it faster and more economically. You get lower capital investment with a higher rate of production. Every cutting stroke means profitable return from your metal cutting operations. The newest ways to cut aluminum come from dewalt. Now, dewalt takes you one step closer to optimum metal cutting and finishing with this new high-speed metal cutter, offering capacities in non-solid sections up to 6 inches deep and sheet material up to 25 inches wide. This machine, combined with dewalt's high-speed sawing system, makes wasteful guesswork a thing of the past. Here is a precision-tooled machine that offers all the operating features to assure reliable, repetitive cutting with a minimum of operator skill. Exclusive features of this new heavy-duty metal cutter include large, heavy-gauge steel safety guard, easily removed for quick changeover of cutting tools. Support rails that permit versatile fixturing. Solid metal table for full support. Adjustable fence for quick changeover from cutoff to miter position. Totally enclosed 7 1/2 horsepower continuous duty motor, which delivers 19 horsepower. Push-button motor and speed controls up front for operator convenience and safety. Sturdy and powerful, offering machine tool accuracy. That's how to describe this new metal cutter designed to meet a variety of non-ferrous needs on materials of various shapes and dimensions. Extrusion, plate, rods, and heavy bar stock like this in seconds. dewalt design combined with a new metal cutting system results in this new way to speed and accuracy that only a dewalt metal cutter can deliver with machine tool finish. Another dewalt first is this automatic sequencing mist coolant device that dispenses coolant only on the cutting stroke. The exact supply of coolant to meet the cutting requirement is conveyed straight to the nozzle tip. Watch. High-speed sawing of solid copper bar stock. Fast and accurate. The new way to achieve surface finish you expect to get only with the most precision machine tools. Simple fixturing setups for a variety of shapes are possible because of dewalt's exclusive support rail construction. The basic machine, without power feed, is capable of making satisfactory cuts on deep, thin-walled sections. Hand feed control produces cuts to meet many applications. In addition to the total application for non-ferrous metals, there is ferrous cutting too. Yes, the same machine, equipped with chain feed, is capable of both friction and abrasive cutting in steel. dewalt friction cutting for steel tubing, grating, furniture, and light structural sections. Versatility of a dewalt permits the fence to be mounted in front of the material to permit cutting without clamping on a variety of shapes. High-quality ferrous cutting in seconds. Another new way from dewalt. And now, for the custom fabricator, dewalt offers the newest way to controlled traverse cutting with this all-new intermediate metal cutter, powered for performance, solid enough to withstand continuous production use portable enough to take right to the job. That's what a Pittsburgh Plate Glass Company outlet learned about this space-saving metal cutter that has the inherent flexibility of dewalt design, plus a little more to handle the maximum capacities expected in residential and commercial buildings. Quality cutting to permit positive fit. Besides cut-off operations, a dewalt metal cutter can be quickly converted for parallel cutting. Also slitting and slotting. A single machine, yet capable of multi-purpose operations. The new way to get highest return on machine investment. You get it with dewalt. Such cutting flexibility is possible because of the tested radial arm design that only dewalt offers, and new way features that include full and deep metal working surface for cutting high on the blade, full capacity metal fence, fully adjustable for quick changeover from cutoff to miter, rigid box frame construction of the steel frame and leg, convenient carrying handles, table design permits deep engagement of the cutting tool, assuring high performance cutting. A built-in motor brake stops the cutting action within seconds after power shutoff. This means quicker changeover on production setups, greater safety too. Coolant sequencing valve that provides mist coolant when and where you need it at the cutting tool. The coolant is sprayed directly into the blade gullets, assuring cool cutting, resulting in longer blade life and quality finish. dewalt's regulated coolant system permits you to cut heavier sections, even with this medium-sized machine. And dewalt's exclusive Traverse control unit permits constant feed rate. Whether you apply fingertip pressure or full arm pressure, the feed rate is constant. Exactly the rate to control the cut and the material. Set the adjustment knob for a faster rate. You get a faster rate for lighter sections. Traverse control cutting, another new way to consistent accuracy, only from dewalt. Adjust the knob for a slower rate on the cutting stroke without affecting the rapid return stroke. And you get it on heavy sections requiring slower feed rates. And a dust-free displacement bellows at the end of the Traverse rod contributes to reliable cutting. dewalt controlled Traverse cutting action. A new dimension in non-ferrous cutting excellence. An engineering breakthrough in bringing the fabricator big capacity value at the lowest investment in machine and manpower. Look to dewalt to provide performance-tested metal cutters to meet your expanding needs. Get the facts behind Cut by dewalt. Get the cost-saving advantages of using dewalt metal cutting equipment. Equipment offering more accuracy and flexibility, designed by the people who made sawing a science. dewalt cutting specialists can help you to more profitable metal cutting operations when using dewalt's new ways to cut aluminum alloys, following job-tested dewalt methods. There's a model for every shop, power for every job. 43 models of job-tested industrial radios, special line of school radios, the famous Power Shop line, the all-new Builder's radio, quality stationary woodworking machine, two-way panel saws for on-site or off-site use, and metal cutters for ferrous and non-ferrous materials. dewalt, the job-tested equipment for greater accuracy, flexibility, ruggedness, and safety.